HLLPF is one of the fastest growing tech stocks of 2021. It's burst onto the scene as a social media app, but is also looking into crypto mining with Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and Ethereum mining machines being available for users all around the world. Hello guys, and welcome to the House of Crypto. I make videos about stocks, cryptocurrencies, and how you can make money online every day from the comfort of your own home. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button on the way in to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening in the cryptocurrency market as well as the tech stock market. Without further ado, let's look into the first part of the video. So the first part of the video I want to draw your attention to is the monthly revenue of this new player on the market. So if we think about all the existing social media platforms at the moment, Facebook, Twitter, they have huge revenues, and they're quite difficult to break in and replace. And this company isn't really looking to do that, but instead is sort of targeting another area. A company called Azar, which is a Korean company making around 8 million Canadian dollars per month. And this is targeting their particular business model, which is geared at being able to communicate with people all around the world, people that you might not already know, and has built-in language translation opportunities as well as crypto mining. So quickly looking down at the chart, we see the monthly revenue and we see what happened in terms of 2020. The average was 1 million Canadian dollars. And if you look to January 21, we've already beaten this average of 2020, which is insane to see. Okay, so this growth, and I'll bring you onto the charts in a minute to see where we're going to be potentially heading over the next few weeks into the next sort of year or so, has shown exactly what opportunities are available, and particularly focusing on this January month, there's been a huge amount of new news as they look to expand and use their big pile of cash to invest in other opportunities, particularly into crypto mining, which is obviously very relevant for this channel where I love talking about crypto, and many of my followers are also very interested in the cryptoverse. So we're looking at Litecoin mining and dogecoin mining, which they've been talking about, as well as Bitcoin and Ethereum, and they've heavily invested in that in China at the moment. So jumping onto the first page of the website, you see that it's an app available to download on both Apple as well as on Google iPlayer. And as we look down through here, we can see what the HLLPF platform offers. The HLLPF platform is a proprietary suite of mobile applications built on a user-friendly messaging interface that focuses on social interactions, language learning, and travel. So if we think about the community of the world at the moment, it's very difficult for people in perhaps America to talk to someone in, say, China, or likewise in France to somewhere in South America. Okay, what this app allows you to do is actually to be able to talk with people, and it automatically updates and translates everything that's been said. And in terms of, we think about Duolingo and other language learning apps, there's a huge opportunity in that space because this industry alone is worth billions and billions of dollars. Okay, so HLLPF allows people to communicate with people from all around the world, practice their languages, and things like that, as well as to share with each other different cultures. And as you can imagine, in the last year where we've had many people inside lockdown, many people quarantining themselves, this has been a bit of a catalyst, if you like, for the growth of the platform, where people are looking for new opportunities to share and speak with other people to understand what's happening around the world. Okay, so first of all, I want to talk about the very cool live streaming service. So as someone who makes videos for YouTube, this is a particularly exciting thing, particularly for me. You can make videos of anything and have people watch from all over the world, and they can actually reward you by paying you sort of gift tokens in the form of Plato, which are blockchain tokens created by the platform. And these are sort of traded around and given as gifts, and they can then be withdrawn from wallets and taken to put into either other cryptocurrencies or into US dollars or whatever is your local currency. Okay, so live streaming service HLLPF partners with Vortex and has monetized its user base without adopting in-app advertising. As a result, the experience of HLLPF user is not ruined by unwanted advertising. So I'm sure, as YouTube users, I use YouTube regularly, obviously. I know you get lots of ads, and I know that can be quite annoying. So this obviously monetizes in a different way. So it's better for the person creating the content because they get more of the revenue, but also for the other people watching it because they get better in-app performance. So what is live streaming? Live streaming allows HelloPal users to broadcast themselves to other users in real time, receive virtual gifts, and redeem gifts for cash. Tech movement. HelloPal is moving forward with new technology such as live stream to enhance the 5G revolution experience. Our live streaming service is comparable in user experience and quality to the large live streaming companies such as Twitch, KK, TikTok, etc. Okay, so maybe you're into gaming and you use things like Twitch to stream your games. This is another way that perhaps you can make money out of your hobbies and create live streams for other people. So it's a really cool thing. You then get kind of into the sort of the blockchain of HelloPal, and you can use their tokens and trade their tokens for other cryptocurrencies, like I mentioned earlier, or redeem them for cash, which is really, really cool. Okay, so HelloPal at the moment has 5 million registered users from over 200 countries. At the moment, many of these users are based in places like China, have recently broken into sort of the Middle East, Saudi Arabia, etc. And now they're looking to expand their market across to places like Canada, the USA, and into Europe. So what does that mean as a potential investor? Now, obviously, you've seen the rapid growth expansion that's already come with their relatively small 5 million users. The potential growth of this platform is huge. So if we look at the value of the stock at the moment, it's relatively low compared to where I see this going in the next year to 5 years down the line. So I know many of you have a lot of interest in cryptocurrency at the moment, but keeping a diverse portfolio is probably the safest way to make our money work for us. And this is a really, really hot project and a really exciting opportunity for investors. So what I want to quickly show you now is the intro video. It's only about a minute long, so just stick with it and see exactly what this app offers, and you can see potentially why this is such an exciting project. After this, we're going to jump in and look at the crypto mining and how you can get involved in crypto mining from the comfort of your own home without having to buy expensive rigs, etc.
Ever wonder what people around the world are like? With HelloPal, meeting and making new friends from all over the world has never been easier. For a start, see what living in other countries is like by browsing through pictures and videos posted by users and interacting with those who interest you. Want to find people from specific countries? Simply start a new chat and select your search preferences, such as country, location, age, and gender. Can't speak or understand foreign languages? No problem. Just use our built-in translation tools wherever necessary. And last but not least, interact with users in real time through live stream videos. Just join any of the live stream feeds and chat with the live streamers using text or voice. Or better still, start a live stream broadcast yourself so you can share yourself with the world live. In fact, whenever you receive virtual gifts, you're actually earning money which you can withdraw whenever you like. So wait no more. Say hello, pal, and meet the world today.
So one thing I want to draw your attention to, which is really exciting, and I know a lot of regular viewers will be interested, perhaps, in finding out about Bitcoin mining initiatives. So as you know, at the moment, Bitcoin mining may be kind of like a big barrier to entry in terms of you can join clouds, etc., but it might be quite an expensive thing to get involved in, and also you then don't see particularly good profits for quite some time. Now, this is very exciting in that it's slightly different in that the company Shanghai Yitang Data Technology Company in China has partnered with HelloPal, and it currently manages 35,000 mining machines spread across north, northwest, and southeast parts of China, and has pre-existing contractual arrangements with mining machine vendors to acquire more in the future. The company will be able to allow users to purchase Bitcoin and Ethereum mining machines or option to purchase fractional parts of the miner and have the mining machine hosted and operated by Yitang. Machines will be personally identifiable to the purchaser and differ from typical mining cloud services. After the purchase, users can expect to be mined cryptocurrency to be credited to their digital wallet each day. Further details will be available after the service is launched. Okay, so at the moment, as I mentioned, you might invest into a mining cloud or something like that, and you pay quite a bit of money, but you don't see any returns for the first year or 18 months. Whereas this, as soon as you invest, you start getting your investment back every single day. Okay, and given the astronomical kind of price rise, Bitcoin pretty much at an all-time high today, and blowing up, there's huge opportunity to get involved in this area of crypto. One of the benefits, if you live in other countries, you may know that a huge amount of Bitcoin mining happens in China, and the reason for that is the price of power is really low, so you actually get the benefit of that as well, where you can kind of be a part owner or a whole owner of a machine that is cared for and looked after by one company who will take obviously a small percentage for the effort of looking after your crypto machine for you. However, over the long term is actually a really fantastic investment for you to be able to earn a passive income online. And the last piece of news I want to look at is HLLPF announces proposed transactions to acquire interest in dogecoin, litecoin mining facilities and mining assets and private placements to raise up to Canadian $5 million by the way of subscription receipts. So at the moment, this company is getting a huge amount of investment from various people. It's got a lot of cash in the bank. So whenever I look at tech stocks or any other sort of stocks, I look at what kind of funds they've got behind them to drive them. When a company is cash rich and has already been producing good revenue results, this is a really strong sign, something I always really want to look for when I'm picking stocks to invest in. Okay, just to finish up then, let's have a quick look at the charts to see what is currently happening with the HLLPF price and where we can see it heading in the next coming days over into perhaps the coming months. As you can see, back from January the 29th here, we've gone on this insane breakout. So this is 0.21, and those of you in the crypto game have seen obviously insane gains like this from many sort of altcoins recently. But what I want to draw your attention to is what's happening at the moment. So we've had a bit of a price drop today where we've come from just over $2. This is Canadian dollars, just over $2 Canadian and dropped back down to around 1.79 where we're sat at the moment. But jumping into the 4 hour, I just want to jump in and have a look at what we see happening in terms of this consolidation pattern here. So we've got this area usually where we take a top, much like, you know, as charts work, much like we see in the crypto markets. We've seen this sort of consolidation pattern, bit of a rough consolidation pattern happening here. Okay, so either we take it, perhaps we take it from down here, and what does that mean? So that means that, you know, potentially we might see a breakout further from here to the upside, and this is potentially playing out in the next sort of 24 hours or so. Okay, and that will then take us all the way to an all-time high, close to sort of 2.92, nearly $3. Okay, which is another sort of 30% increase from where we are now. Now that's if you draw it as this sort of consolidation triangle pattern, but we also potentially, if we draw slightly differently from here, then we could be looking actually at what is like a bit of a bull flag. Okay, so we then take from the top of this pattern here, and we go all the way down to where the breakout of this breakout started, and then we take this out, and then we take it from perhaps our point of breakout, which would be around here, and that would bring us all the way up then to $3.8, okay, which is obviously, guys, you know, 100x, and this potentially might play out in the next sort of coming weeks. So there's a huge opportunity here in terms of this tech stock and where I can see it going. Okay, so guys, bit of a different video from my normal content. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you're new to the House of Crypto, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Really helps me to bring you more content like this, to show you different stocks and different cryptocurrencies and how you can ultimately make more money online. Guys, thanks very much for watching, and I will see you next time with another video. Bye-bye.